Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Bhavana's Stock Researches. Today I have launched a new channel on this Dussehra festival. This channel is going to be very much powerful. Welcome to the world of stock market. In this channel, we are going to share technical information from our technical experts. Now let us hear from our technical experts regarding tomorrow's stock research.
Hello everyone, I welcome all of you. Today Bhavana has launched a new YouTube channel with a name called Bhavana's Stock Researches. I congratulate her for this initiative and new responsibility what she has taken to grow this channel. Okay, on this special occasion, we would like to tell you on the basic level that information that how the stocks are selected, that is how we select the blue chip stocks and what all blue chip stocks, and how we analyze it technically so that it can help for the further study. So blue chip stocks, all of you know, but for the beginners I just want to say that the blue chip stocks are also shares of a large companies. It belongs to a highly reputed companies, and these companies are in the market from the long period. So definitely these companies are always growing. Of course there will be a little bit ups and downs, but still these blue chip companies will grow faster and they will recover. Hence these blue chip stocks are always recommended as a first choice for investments or even trading. So now coming to the selection of the blue chip stock, because everybody having some doubts that there are many stocks in the market other than the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 basically considers top 50 companies. So other than that, if any other companies are coming, so how to identify is it a blue chip stock or not? So a very simple definition I would like to give here. Any stocks that are traded under futures and options are called blue chip stocks, because these companies are there in this market and in the operations from many years. So definitely that's the reason these are traded in the futures and options. So if you find any stocks under F&O, so you can say that it is a blue chip stocks. So coming to the third, that is how to analyze it technically before we make a selection. There are totally 6 parameters are there, basically 5 plus 1. So here first one is a pattern, so, and second one is the volume, third is the relative strength, fourth is a support, fifth is a resistance, and finally we have to check the fundamentals for the confirmation. So chart pattern you can see on the right side. These are some of the famous chart patterns. These are available in the internet also, but still I will take an example and show you now how do we select the stock. Okay, and volumes are necessary because definitely there has to be a buyers and sellers. Then only it will help for the price action next what to do like. And then coming to the relative strength, that how the stock is at this point of time, is it strong or weak, that we will come to know. Then support is necessary to know even if there is a fluctuation in the stock, that is if it is going down, so at what level it may go down and stop there in the below. And resistance is important, so even if you are investing, so how much we can get returns, so that will be identified through the resistance. So in fundamentals we check like FIIs and DIIs, how many are invested and what percentage they are invested, what is the holding pattern of the promoters, and what the analysis says. All these things are there. So these are the chart patterns. With this chart pattern we can analyze today. For sixth, we can recommend this stocks. Totally we listed 11 stocks: Mahindra and Mahindra, L&T Finance Holding Limited, India Bulls, IndusInd Bank, Aditya Birla Capital Limited, Bajaj Finance, Tata Chemicals Limited, NTPC Limited, India Mart, Tata Communications, and finally the Laurus Labs. So let us take an example of one stock, that how these stocks are selected based on the parameters what is being suggested now. So what we studied here is we need minimum this 6 parameters to select the stock. So let us take an example of this NTPC. So what it says here, this chart, we opened this. So when we open this chart, first we need to check what is the chart pattern. So what the rule says, check the chart pattern. Okay. So now let us go to this chart pattern. So stock is now in the downtrend and then it started going up. So among this given chart pattern, so where it is getting matched. Okay. So basically we can say that it is now a stock is in the growing stage. Here you can see, let me enlarge it. Yeah, you can see it now. And in the chart pattern we can find that it is matching with the falling wedge pattern. You can see this. Okay, here also this line is shown that it was inclined, and the wedge is going to complete, and then finally it is trying to grow up now. So it belongs to this pattern. So as per the rule, we identified the chart pattern. Now it says check the volume. Volume is also good compared to this past. If you see here, in the past, there was less volume and now the volumes are increased. Okay, pretty good volumes are there. Now what it says, check the relative strength. So under relative strength, normally we say stock is very good position when it is between 40 to 60 RSI. Also in the RSI you can see it is in a growing pattern. If you see this, it is in the growing pattern. Okay, fine. So RSI is also good. Next comes to the support. Okay, now let us draw the support line. You can say this was the support which it took, because in the past also it has taken the support here. So that's why it has taken here. It has taken the support, and then the next support is this. This is the next support. We need to draw at least one or two supports so that we'll identify even if stock falling or is going up. It's a confirmation. Okay, support we draw. Now what it says, rule, know the resistance. So what is the resistance? Okay, this is the resistance level. So let us check now whether in the past, you have to zoom it like this and see. In the past, okay, this is the only one resistance which was taken. Okay, not an issue, you can find out. Now even if you see it in the pattern in the from little bit longer, it is moving in a one zone. Let us check it here, the horizontally, so the parallel channel. Yeah, this is where it is taking the support and then it is moving. You need to match little bit. These points, so that, yeah, good. So now I think you can understand here, this is moving in one channel. It is moving up, down, taking the support and moving. So definitely it shows that it will touch now the height. So we can say that it has a potential. It will touch here in few trading sessions. Then later it may take a retracement and then move. Yeah, like this it will happen. Because already if you see that chart pattern in the previous also it has happened. Yeah. So we identified the support, we identified the resistance, all this we identified, and also we identified how much it can give the returns also. Now check the finally fundamentals. Go to the tickertape.com, type NTPC. So here you can identify this, the holding. That means the stock is very good if even foreigners are invested, the domestic, like mutual fund companies. So everybody has invested, so it's a good stock. And further if you go, even if you see this right side, the current price is less than the intrinsic price, the value. That means you cannot buy it or afford it for it. It gives a good dividends also. So this is how we can find it out. So in this website, if you can go, you can identify the stocks fundamentals. Okay, so we have gone through all these steps, so we can say that we can buy those. You can further study the stocks before we make an investment. So this is how the stocks are studied. I hope I was able to clarify some of the short methods, and thank you all for watching.
Please subscribe my channel and press the like button. It will motivate me to bring new topics.